everyone, today I'm back with a delicious recipe. It's time for pasta. This time let's cook a veggie pasta. Firstly, salt a pan of boiling water and pour a tablespoon of oil. And now it's time to stir in the pasta and let it cook for 10 to 12 minutes. Meanwhile, chop the veggies and keep them ready for the upcoming steps. Now the pasta is cooked well. So, drain the excess water and wash it again with fresh water. Subsequently, turn on the cooker and add a cube of butter. Before it melts completely, put a teaspoon of cumin. And also add chopped ginger and garlic to it. Once it's fried well, add chopped onions and brown it for some time. After that, add other veggies too. Here I have bell peppers, carrots, mushrooms, tomatoes, and green peas. And mix them a little. At this point, add a spoonful of salt and 1.5 spoon of chili powder. Saute all together again and leave it for some time. Finally, it's time to add the pasta. Sprinkle 2 to 3 spoons of pepper and mix them well. At last, add mixed herb if you wish to. And now it's time to serve. It's aromatic, appetizing. Oh, delicious! And guys, hope you all like this mouth-watering recipe, so kindly like, share, comment about this video and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon for getting instant notifications. Thanks for watching this video. Bye-bye.